Sorry, Parker. Let me go get your replacement. Oh no. Oh no, my titty. Sorry what it is to you, Parker, but I have to give you a replacement. Oh. Please, 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 give me a fifth chance, please, please, please. No, I can't give you a fifth chance. Okay, listen, you haven't been winning all your races lately. Well, I mean, I came in third. That was like kind of good. Well, the priority of Into Ocola is to be first. What the? Nobody has ever been actually able to pass Rex, Dirk, or Todd ever. I only been able to like come third or something like that. Wait, no, Todd came fourth behind me. So yeah, I haven't been able to pass Rex or Todd. Well, still, you're getting replaced. Okay, well, who's my replacement gonna be? I don't even see him right now. Well, here's your replacement right here. Hi. What the? Who is this guy? Why, he's your replacement. H.J. Joseph Hollis. It's actually H.J. Hollis. Whatever. It counts kind of way. Yeah, sure, whatever. Anyways, this is your new replacement of the Into Ocola team, and you're gonna get replaced. What? No. Wait a minute. Hold on a second here. Let me see what you're trying to do. What exactly? You had the opportunity to probably change or refix the paint job or something, and you didn't do it at all. What? I don't really like him having my paint job. Like, it could have been, like, way cooler if he switched it up. Like, what do you mean? I'll show you. Hollis, come over here. Okay. Our designs are literally a copy and paste from each other. See? He has the exact same colors as I do. Well, that's what it's supposed to be like. Well, I kind of wish that his paint job would be a lot more different than mine. You know what I mean? Just get out of here, Parker. You know what? I hate both of you now. See you losers later. Well, gosh. Well, he wanted to have a switch of the paint job. Well, I mean, technically you still were gonna fire him, but it doesn't matter if we have to change the paint job. Well, whatever. You're the new Into Ocola racer now. See ya. Well, I guess I'm in the Into Ocola racer now. So, yep, this is what it means for me now. I can race. Sure. See ya. The end.